Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I was talking to my parents over the weekend and I was sharing that I wanted to measure with you guys and I wasn't sure if everyone had a ruler at home. And my dad had the idea to show you how to turn a dollar bill into a ruler. So I had never heard of this idea. I'm sure my dad didn't invent it, but that's how I heard about it and I think it's really cool. So go ahead and grab either $1 or $2 bills and a pencil and a little bit of tape, and I will show you how to make yourself a ruler. The first thing I want to show you is that a dollar bill is exactly 6 inches long. If you take a look, here is the 6-inch mark, and it matches up perfectly with the end of the dollar bill. The next thing I did was I marked out 0 at the left corner of my dollar bill, and I marked out a 6 at the right bottom corner of the dollar bill. The next thing you'll want to do is fold your dollar bill in half. When you unfold it, the crease that is left is the halfway point between 0 and 6. Do you know what number is exactly halfway between 0 and 6? The number 3 is exactly halfway between 0 and 6. So that's the 3-inch mark, right where the crease from the fold was. Now, if you take a look, I'm looking at the 2-inch mark right here. And the 2-inch mark falls exactly in between this kind of decorative swirl and the letter O. So right here, if you follow this down, this is where you're going to want to mark out 2 inches. And I'm going to do that now. So I did go ahead and mark 2 inches right there. Now we're going to take a look at the R in dollar. And if you look right here, this lines up perfectly with the 4-inch mark. So I'm going to go ahead and mark 4 inches on the bottom of my dollar bill. So there you can see that I've marked my 4 out. Now here's where it seems like we run into a problem, because for 1 inch and 5 inches, there's not really a special part of the dollar bill that either of those line up with, but we can use the same trick we used to find the 3-inch mark, to find the 1-inch mark and the 5-inch mark. Can you guess what I'm going to do? What I'm going to do is I'm going to fold over the end of the bill from 0 to 2, like this. And when I unfold it, this crease mark is exactly halfway between 0 and 2. And what's exactly halfway between 0 and 2? But the number 1. So I'm going to go ahead and mark the number 1 on my dollar bill. We're going to do the exact same thing to find the 5-inch mark. We've got 4 and we've got 6 marked, so I'm going to fold the end of my dollar bill to the 4-inch mark. And when I unfold it, that crease, that's where the 5-inch mark should be, because 5 is exactly halfway between 4 and 6. There you have it. We have turned our $1 bill into a ruler that can measure up to 6 inches. If you'd like to make a 12-inch ruler, what you'll need is a bit of tape and another dollar bill. I'm going to place the dollar bill that we already marked over the new dollar bill that I haven't marked. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to mark out all the spaces that we did on the first bill. I'm not going to write numbers yet. I'm just going to make marks. So as you can see, every time that I had a number on that first bill that we marked, I just made a little line on my new dollar bill. The next thing I did was I used a piece of tape to tape the dollar bills together at the center. Now we're ready to number that second dollar bill but we're not gonna number it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See if you can guess how we're gonna number it. All right, so here's our dollar bill that we marked before. There's the 6, and now we have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's my 12-inch ruler next to our ruler that we made with our dollar bills. You can see that all the numbers really match up with how many inches are marked on my ruler. Okay, I hope you had fun making your ruler. In my next video, we are going to be measuring some items around your house using your ruler. That's all for today, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.